Okay, 1.1. It asks you for the world communicates to describe the energy transformations required in one of the following: mobile phones, fax modems, radio and television. So the one that we've got an example on the board here is mobile phones, being the most obvious one and the most abundant in society. We're looking at mobile phones. So the microphone built into mobile phones changes sound energy, kinetic energy of vibrating particles in air, into electrical energy. This is then converted into electromagnetic energy. Third dot point there. In the form of radio signals. That phone transmits to the receiving base station. So that's at the tower. So the first part is our sound from our human bodies is being transported through air as kinetic energy of vibrating particles. It goes to it gets converted into electrical energy, so the wires inside your phone. Then that gets transferred to a radio wave, which is being sent to the tower. The tower then understands that radio signal. It then does the opposite to what it just encountered. So it then sends out electromagnetic wave to that receiving phone. That receiving phone gets those radio signals from the tower, converts it to electrical energy, and then once electrical energy is transported through the phone, then sound waves occur. So that is the speaker at the receiving phone, so the person can hear what the original person has said. So it goes from voice, so sound to electrical to radio waves, gets sent to the tower. The electrical energy is then sent to a radio signal. Radio signals then converted inside the receiving person's telephone to electrical energy, and finally sound waves to what they can hear. So there's a number of different transformations in energy. So what you need to understand is this: electrical energy is the main occurrence of change of transformation of energy. It happens 3 times out the cycle. So you need to understand that is a key component for that to be transferred to and then from. Okay, so it always gets transferred in this scenario with electrical energy between the other 2 waves. Okay, so you're dealing with the mobile phones here. It is 1 out of the 3 parts of the dot point. It's the most common that I've been teaching this year. But you can do fax modems, radio and television, which is very, very similar. In both radio and television broadcasting, microphones change sound energy to electrical energy. This electrical energy is changed by transmitters in EM radiation. These are reconverted into electrical energy by receiving antennas, and then into kinetic energy in a vibrating speaker, which then produce sound waves we hear. Okay, so that's an example of both radio and television broadcasting. However, the example that I got on the smartboard is about mobile phones.